Welcome to our US Cooler how-to videos.
In this how-to video, we'll walk you through installing a ceiling support bracket, step by step. Step 1. Align the ceiling support bracket onto the cam. Make sure the slot of the bracket does not cover the pin in the female cam. Step 2. Drill a hole into the metal and into the cam to prepare for mounting the bracket. Step 3. Rivet out the bracket securely into place. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to secure the both sides of the bracket. Step 4. Form a loop in your support cable. Step 5. Insert a bolt with a washer on each side through the hole in the top of the bracket and place it between the washer and the bracket. Step 6. Tighten the bolt and nut to hold the cable firmly in place. Secure it with a nut on the back side. Step 7. Loop the other end of the cable around a solid structure above. Make sure the cable goes straight up from the bracket. This ensures the ceiling load is properly supported. And that's it. Your ceiling support bracket is now properly installed.